wine contains antioxidants which is good for you. And studies show that wine in moderate amounts can reduce the risk of heart diseases, infection of ulcer-causing bacteria, ovarian cancer, stroke, and heart attack. It also helps you maintain healthy blood vessels and stronger bones.
Hey, did you also know that apple is packed with goodness? Apple contains a significant amount of vitamin C, potassium, and soluble fiber pectin, which help control insulin and cholesterol levels.
Ah, that's why there's a saying that an apple a day keeps the doctor away.
Apple is also rich in antioxidants, especially pectin and quercetin. Research showed that these antioxidants could be more effective than vitamin supplements and may even have the potential for treating cancer.
And now it's here. The goodness of apple plus the goodness of wine. Vino de Mala, made from finest apples, fermented and aged just right. Vino de Mala, perfect for bonding, perfect for all occasions. So have a drink. It's light, it's healthy, and it's good for you. Vino de Mala. Cheers to your health.
Cheers!